And welcome everybody back to October's blog here for Baikoen 2024. Lots of things going on here. Hope you guys having some answer where. Hope you guys having a great time so far here. So October's a great time. Well, not sure about the rest of the U.S., but right now in Southern Cal, we're getting our second growth spurt, what we call our second spring. Things are kind of slowly winding down, so it's a really good time. If you not know, this is a great time to start cleaning. What I was trying to do, start cleaning up some of your trees at this point, trying to get those leaves off, dead leaves, things like that. If you haven't fertilized, probably the last time to fertilize before winter comes. I had actually just sprinkled a little bit of or last bit of organic fertilizer in all my trees so far. So it's the last bump of some fertilizer, I don't know what to say, for these guys for the rest of the winter time. Also, a really good time to start evaluating your trees, which trees need to be repotted. So if you're noticing some trees are having a really tough time at this point, like absorbing water, or it becomes really dry really early, or it looks like it's crawling out of its pot, it's probably a really good time at this point to identify those trees to be priority to be repotted this winter, which is only for Southern Cal about 2 months away. Like beginning of December, probably a really good time. If you not noticed, most of my trees are still pretty green in October. No fall colors yet. I bet some of the U.S. on the East Coast and a little more northern regions in this case, we'll probably have some fall colors showing at this point. We'd love to see those colors too. If you guys have it, and that's pretty much it. I wouldn't do any major cuttings, or not cutting, no major cutbacks at this point in time. It doesn't really give the trees enough time to heal. I wouldn't do repotting just yet. Again, it's just a little bit too early, and it's kind of too late for some of those tropical materials that you have so far. So trying to switch gears. This is kind of like the nice, like slow period, I call it. It's just not warm enough, long period days for those trees to heal for massive cuts, and it's not vigorous enough for those growth to really need any cutback. So it's really a nice time to reflect on your trees. Try and take note. It's a really good time. Great time to start shopping for pots too. So you think about repotting. Other than that, I like to see some of your trees at this point. So other news and I got a whole list. So coming up in October the 17th, it's actually this Thursday. Coming Thursday is Ken Bross from Baikoen Bonsai. He makes stands. We're gonna do a club meeting. We're doing a combination of display and with stands, and Ken will be leading that one. So if you have, if you're in our club, want to bring some trees in, so you can see what mix and match, which looks really nice. Kind of there's a little thing for Ken right here. Bring one in. See if you have a pot in mind, or not pot in mind, a tree, a stand in mind. Excuse me, something that you might want to think about. Okay. And then right on that next Friday, October 18th through October 20th, Kofu Kai, on the flyer right here, they're having their annual show at the Bowers from Friday through Sunday. So if you want to go check that out, I'll probably be there on Sunday. I think that's my guess, or Saturday morning. I don't know, but if you see me there, please say hi. I would love to see you guys. Also on the 18th, I know that's the Friday after our club meeting. Ichi is having their club meeting. They're having a special guest actually. They're actually having Bjornholm and Kiggen at their club meeting. So it'd be a great time to see them if you haven't seen them right before the Pacific Bonsai Expo. That same Sunday, October 20th. Told you this is a packed October. San Diego Bonsai Club is having Yannick and Bjorn at their club in Balboa Park for a special. They call it Bonsai Blast in San Diego, and it's happening from about 8:30 to about 5 o'clock at Balboa Park. Great time if you're in that area to see Bjorn and Yannick, especially if you're not going to the Pacific Bonsai Expo. And then then it comes to the Pacific Bonsai Expo the week after. The weekend after, that's going to happen October the 26th and 27th in Oakland, right next to Lake Merritt. I don't remember the venue, but yeah, I'll put a little thing right here if you guys want to see that. And then that Monday, this is a packed October, seriously. Jason Chen is doing a live feed for the Golden State Bonsai Federation on their Facebook page, if I remember, or YouTube page. And then little things coming up. November, I don't have anything for November, I haven't got that far, but in December 14th, we're having our club, Baikoen Club Christmas party at the Shiba residence. Sign-ups should be coming up soon. Of course, we're going to have the White Elephant Exchange and good time there. So make sure you guys have put that in your calendar. And of course, in our next winter silhouette will be the 18th and 19th, 2025 in January. That will also happen at the LA Arboretum. So plan on supporting our club if you're in the area. Glad to see you guys there. And then some sad news. We have two long-time members have recently passed away. It's Dick Ryerson, and then of course he makes pots. And then of course Jim Palin, a long-term member, has passed away recently. So condolences to them. And if anything else, you guys like to leave a comment below, see what's going on. Condolences to both Jim and or Dick. That'd be great. And on that, if I see you guys around, please stop me, say hello, introduce yourself. Love to see you guys. Even Big Joe. Joe is my other companion I heads up. And if not, I'll see you guys at the Pacific Bonsai Expo. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.